Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making mashed potato casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out on my copper chef. If you don't have a copper chef, it's fine. Just use a regular 9x13 baking pan. And I went ahead and I sprayed this down with some cooking oil. You do that with your baking pan. I have some mashed potatoes here I made up. These are homemade. We're going to get them down in here. And this is going to be a quick, easy meal. And guys, little story. While I was dicing my potatoes up, one slipped and I kind of like diced my finger pretty good with the knife. I should have went and got stitches, but I don't want to say me being a brave soldier, more like me being a cheapo. I don't want to spend the money on a doctor. I'll just keep it bandaged and keep it dry and clean and heal it up myself. And after about 2 or 3 weeks, I'll be good to go. There, I have it all bandaged up. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and smear my mashed potatoes down in here. And guys, I mashed these with a hand masher, so there might be a few little lumps in there, but that's alright, we like them that way. No big deal. Okay, and I have roughly 1.5 pounds of ground beef here. I browned up and I seasoned it with just some salt and pepper. I drained the excess grease off of it because this is fatty beef. I'm going to go ahead and spread that around on top of my mashed potatoes. And like I said, other than making the homemade mashed potatoes, it's a really simple recipe, and if you really wanted to take the easy way, I could use instant mashed potatoes. They would work fine. You just want to spread that out as evenly as you can get it. And if you want to go for 2 pounds or even 3 pounds of ground beef, that won't hurt anything. Okay, now I have 2 cans of cut green beans that I drained the juice off of. They're 14.5 ounces. I'm going to spread them around on top of the ground beef and the mashed potatoes. Okay, there's 1 can, and then our next can. You just want to even them out a little bit. Now I'm going to take some Velveeta-like cheese. This is store brand. And I'm just going to lay it on here. And I cut it in slices about like that. And this stuff's going to spread out as it melts, so no worries about getting complete coverage on this. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered. I'd say for probably about 15 minutes till that cheese is melted and everything's heated through. The only thing that really needs to heat up is the green beans, and the cheese needs to melt. When this is done, I'll pull it out and bring you guys back. Alright guys, my 15 minutes are up. You can see my cheese is all nice and melted. My green beans are heated through. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. See how nice and cheesy that cheese melted on there. Get some of the potatoes and this ground beef in here. Cheese is like glue. Really good, creamy, cheesy. The potatoes and the cheese together kind of remind me of a pierogi. I don't know if you're familiar with the pierogi. It's like a little piece of dough with potato and cheese stuffed in it. Then you grip it shut and you fry it in onions with butter. Really good. Let's get some green bean in here. Enough talk. Green beans give it that good savory green bean flavor, a burst of freshness. That's good, guys.